All right, Billy D with my morning ritual. First thing I get up in the morning is I hydrate, but then I'm also going to add some stuff to my hydration. Obviously, we're using good water from our innate water drinking water system. I'm also going to put some apple cider vinegar in there. We're going to juice a couple lemons, little small lemons. I'm going to add some vitamin C. I also add BioSil in the morning. I'm a big fan of Colonex for cleaning out the colon. You can put your collagen in there in this recipe. I'm going to save my collagen for my bulletproof coffee. So let's get that out of the picture for now. All right, remember, don't stress out about the things you can't control. That's a rule in life, a lot of rules. Okay, first thing we're going to take the lemons and juice them. All right, that's simple. So let's take the juice first, and then we'll put the juice in the Vitamix. This is an alkalizing drink. We're going to add some apple cider vinegar. All right. I love this BioSil. This stuff will make your nails grow insane. It's also good for your cartilage, your disc. Okay, we're going to put 10 drops of that in here. All right, I like to add some vitamin C to my recipe in the morning. Probably a big, huge heaping tablespoon, not a teaspoon. All right, let's put that over there. We're going to put a little bit of the Redmond salt in here. You're going to get a scoop of the Colonex. This stuff's amazing. I've used it for years to clean out the colon. The most important factor is we're going to get some water from our innate drinking water system. All right, so we're going to pour water in here. Mix this bad boy up. That should do it. You don't let this coagulate either. You got to drink it right away. Let me see how this tastes. Try to get a liter of hydration in before you have your coffee, like I said. It actually tastes pretty good. Nice lemon tang with a little salt in there. It's great, man. All right, with the morning hydration recipe, I also like to take my vitamins, which vary a lot. But we're going to do a little NAC. We're going to do magnesium. This is to prevent muscle spasms. A lot of times when I'm surfing, if I'm not saturated with magnesium, then I get really bad cramps on my calves. Vitamin D. I thought my vitamin D level would be high from surfing all the time, but only my head gets tan and my hands. I don't know if you can see the difference in the tone there. Some probiotics, some zinc, some selenium. We already did the vitamin C. We did the silica with the BioSil. So I'm just going to take a fistful of these suckers. We're also going to take a little vitamin K. Okay, I forgot to mention that. So I took 2 vitamin Ks, 2 vitamin Ds, I took 2 magnesium, I took 1 NAC, I took 2 probiotics, and I took 2 seleniums, and I took 1 zinc glycinate. So I got a fistful of vitamins. Take those suckers, boil them. Cheers. That's my morning ritual. Got it? First thing, do this, and then we're going to go to the coffee. Rock 'em.